HTML5 provides some important improvements to forms and links that can help us make our pages a better experience for our user. Let's take a look at some of the improvements we can make in a typical contact form. Now I've coded this very simple form that I have here in the iPhone simulator for you to see. This form has some traditional elements that we've coded slightly differently, taking advantage of some of HTML5's new input fields. It's a good idea to take a look at this on an iPhone simulator or an iPhone because you'll be able to see the different keywords that are available when our user clicks on the form fields. So let's go through the form elements and see the different improvements that I've made. First, I've taken a traditional input text field and added a placeholder that appears as a grayed out version of the text. When I click to type in my name, I see that the keyword popped up and it deleted the placeholder that was already there. I didn't have to write any JavaScript to take care of that. The browser automatically noticed that there was a placeholder in there and got rid of the text as soon as I started typing. In the same way, I've used a number type in the next field. And when I click on the field to type in my age, you'll see that I get a keyword that's primarily centered around numbers. Next, on the email field, I added another placeholder. You'll see that because I specified a type of email, I also get a keyword that has the @ sign and a period on it. On the telephone field, I specified a type of TEL and I've added a pattern field. So when I click on that, I get the iPhone's telephone keyboard. In the URL field, I have turned off auto capitalization to make sure that URLs don't begin with a capital letter. I did that also in the email field, as you can see. Finally, in the comments field, I've turned off autocorrection to make sure people can type in whatever they want. In addition to that, there's a couple of special links down here that when clicked on will automatically ask if you want to make a phone call. This doesn't work in the iPhone simulator, but it will work on your phone. In the same way, I've created a text us link that will automatically run the texting app on your iPhone. You can see the code for the telephone is just a regular ahref tag with the TEL : and then the phone number. Same thing for the SMS. Just use the SMS : and then the phone number that you want to text. Although the user might not notice some of these right away, the tiny changes are going to provide a slightly better user experience and make your web apps feel more native.